right, welcome back to the channel, Legends. Today I got an unboxing of the legendary mystery box from Bitcoin Merch. Not sponsored. Let's dive in. Shipping was fairly fast on this, guys. So you can see Bitcoin Merch. Get you guys proof right there from their fulfillment center. That's what you get when you open it. Right off the get, a nice orange Bitcoin logo hat. Fitted. ProFlex. Nice, nice. Tell me, what do you guys think? This is part of the legendary box. That's the first piece. Nice hat. More bubble wrap. Anybody need some bubble wrap? And right here you can see there's the legendary box, mystery box. Showing you guys, that way you guys can see. Got the protection on it. Wow, got another little miner. Here's one here. What do you guys think? Do you guys think these are worth it? These little miners? I don't remember what they're called. They're kind of cool. The last one we had, somebody won on a live stream and it ended up working for 5 days and I had to give them another one. But Bitcoin Merch does have excellent customer service. They do respond instantly and right away. Little Bitcoin stickers. Those are pretty cool looking. What do you guys think? Drop your thoughts in the comment. A power supply. Okay, what kind of miner did we get? We got a nice power supply. Let's see. No way, they sent us a cannon. Oh, dang. Okay. It's the power adapter. And of course, you're not a true Bitcoiner unless you see dollar debasement. That's a beautiful thing. From Venezuela. 100 sin. A Bitcoin token. That's nice. I wonder if that's one of those wallets. Nope. Thank you for your purchase from bitcoinmerch.com. These guys have always been great. Anytime I've done anything with these guys, they have been amazing. More merch QR codes, probably for the miners. Gold Digger. That little miner that you just seen, that's called the Gold Digger. Nerd Miner 2 setup guide. So you scan these QR codes and everything pops up exactly what you need to do on these little miners. Oh, Elapal seed phrase. Nice. Still, I think this is the third one that I've had. Let me know what you guys think. Completely fireproof. These are amazing to have as backup. If you have multiple wallets, beautiful. Nerd miner 2, okay. Little USB miner. Another little USB miner. These are always fun just to watch. Low power on these guys. Very low power. Gold nugget setup guide. Well, there's our gold nugget, which I have another couple gold nuggets sitting over there. The ones I give away. All right. Disruptor. Okay. I've never used one of these disruptors. What do you guys think? Bitcoin merch. Disruptor. See them all the time. Think it's similar to the Raspberry Pi. Bitcoin, I have no idea what this is. Let's open this together, guys. Greenbit. SBV1 is what it says. You guys see the number SBV1. We'll turn it around. Satboy, silent Bitcoin miner. Okay, we're going to open it here. Oh, nice. Okay, I see exactly what this is. Heck yeah. Tell me, what do you guys think? Is the legendary mystery box decent so far? I'm looking for another wallet to the arsenal, to be honest, guys. I like having multiple cold storage wallets. That's pretty much why I decided to get this guy. I'm going to open this off camera just because it's a pain in the butt with this plastic. Okay, ripped it open. Let's see what we got in here. Okay, Bitcoin sunglasses, guys. What do you guys think? You guys rocking these out? Okay, we already see what we have. We have the Canon Avalon Nano right here. Nice little setup. That'll be fun to play with. Once again, I'm going to de-sleeve this. That way you guys can see what it looks like live on camera. That's the Canon Avalon Nano. Right there, Avalon Nano. I mean, it'd have been awesome if it was orange to match the orange gospel, but you guys already know. Last but not least, that's what's left in the box. Let's dig in. I'm looking for a cold storage wallet. That's what I really want. An extra one. Okay, I think it's a light. Bitcoin merch, candy, 10% off coupon. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you for your purchase. Our goal is to earn your 5-star every time. You guys are amazing. Bitcoin merch. V-Rich Mine, please, bitcoinmerch.com. Going to the moon. So that's going to go right along with my other light that I got. Right there, guys. That's awesome. Well, what do you guys think? Do you guys think that's worth the price is right there? Do you guys think that's worth it? I do have the well pass, so I do get a nice discount with these guys. Overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I wished I would have got a cold storage wallet, but reality is I got a cold storage seed phrase, you know? So that's awesome. Anyway, we'll see you in the next one.